a very happy Republic Day to everyone. So today we are going to discuss about forgiveness. What is forgiveness? Why it is required? And what will happen if you don't forgive? Before we start the session, we should understand what we need to forgive, whom we need to forgive. Do we need to forgive for some person? Do we need to forgive ourselves, or we need to forgive some situations? What we need to forgive, what actually it is. So what forgiveness truly means? Forgiveness truly means it is not about forgetting, it is not justifying and not reconnecting by force. It is about freeing yourself from emotional burden. Why we hold on to hurt, unexpressed pain, broken expectations, ego, fear, or unresolved emotions, childhood emotional imprints, emotional baggage costs a lot. What will happen if you do not forgive? Now, if you don't forgive, what will happen to you? It will cost you mental heaviness, anxiety, anger, sadness, which will lead impact on your physical health. It will affect your relationship. It will affect your parenting. So, n number of things will happen if you do not go for forgiveness. If you hold something, if you hold some emotional pain, that will hurt you only. It is not someone else who's going to get affected out of this. Your physical health will be affected, your physical relationships will be affected. So what happens when you forgive? What happens to your subconscious mind? Now, our stored emotions are in our subconscious mind basically, and that affects our thoughts, behavior, and due to that only we sometimes repeat the same unresolved pattern which keeps on hurting us again and again. Healing begins when emotions are acknowledged and released. Self forgiveness, the most important step, but the most ignored one as well. Guilt, regret, and self blame. Learning to be kind to oneself and letting go of one that I should have known better. This comes when you forgive. Self forgiveness is one of the most important aspects. Now, why so? Because most of the time, whom do we ignore? We ignore our own self. We try to make people please. We try to please people. But in order to make them happy, we hurt ourselves. And here it starts hurting our emotions, and our subconscious starts performing in that pattern. So, why do we need to forgive? We need to forgive for our own peace. Forgiveness is internal peace, whereas reconciliation is a choice, it's not a compulsion. But forgiveness should be done in order to settle down emotional healthy boundaries. So, how can we forgive? What is the way? How can we do forgiveness? So, it can be in two ways. Basically, we all are connected at energy level. So, whenever you go for forgiveness, the thing starts with emotional release through breathing, through affirmations, and through guided scripts also. So how it can be done? When you wake up in the morning, or it's best to do the forgiveness at the end of the day before you go to bed, or when you are on the bed for going to sleep. Just close your eyes, visualize the person in front of you whom you want to forgive, and join your hands, or whichever is the prayer way that suits you. That way you visualize the person and ask him for forgiveness and seek forgiveness and forgive him as well, him or her. Because once you visualize the person at energy level, you are together. And let me tell you, forgiving doesn't mean that you need to go to the person and you need to say sorry. No, saying sorry verbally doesn't mean forgiveness. Forgiving is whatever was the situation that you are holding, leave that and set your emotions free. So that's all forgiveness means. And at energy level, when you forgive a person, it is not for that person, it is for you. Be it your parents, be it your partner, be with your children, be yourself. If you feel like that at some point I hurt myself, I need to forgive myself for that. So that is basically the case of guilt feeling. Forgiveness lightens of your mind. It makes your sleeps better and improves your focus, and gradually it improves relationship in a calm and clarity. Now forgiveness is not for others. It is a gift you give to yourself. I hope this session will give you a clarity over forgiveness. Thank you.